guys! Happy Thursday! Oh my God, ang tagal kong di nag-vlog. Grabe. Nagkasakit kasi ako. Ewan ko na, vlog ko ba yun? And then, yeah, ang daming gawain. And ang dami ko pang tambak na vlog. So, sabi ko, ayoko mag-vlog kasi lalo tayo matatambak. Lalo tayo matatambakan. But anyway, mag-school holiday na, last day of school tomorrow. So, yeah, vlog tayo today. Yeah, so the kids just having breakfast. Yung baon ni Harley, yung ulam namin kagabi. Pasta. And, nasiraan pala ako ng washing machine.
Mommy,
So, I think the washing machine is 4-6 years old. Yes?
wanna make lunchbox. Wanna make one.
Oh, you stay with Ate Zoe lang and Tita. I'm just gonna drop Ate off school, okay?
Wanna lunchbox.
Yeah. Yeah, okay.
No,
Wanna one.
Yes.
you stay.
So, mamaya, bili ako ng washing machine, guys. Because kahapon, nagtingin-tingin naman na kami. And I think I found the right one. So, balikan ko lang yun. Oh, no, actually, baka pumunta ako sa mas malaking, Home Depot dito. Pero mag-double check.
Wanna have one box, mommy.
Yeah. Yeah, later when we go out, I'm just gonna
Yeah.
drop Ate off school now.
Yep.
And then I'll come back to get you, okay?
Yeah. Why does have spots?
No, that's tomorrow. Last day of sports.
Oh my god.
Oh my God, it's last day of sports.
Ano sports na siya?
Ano ba last time? Nakakalimutan ko.
Is Kirk.
Ayan, na-drop ko na si Harry, guys. So, I'll just make Riker a quick snack box. Because we'll go to the mall. And we need to buy a washing machine.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, ang cute nung sa, class ni Harley. Yeah?
Oranges.
Here.
Oh, thank you, mommy.
Welcome. Ang cute nun sa school ni Harley kasi it's their second last day of school. So, they're gonna watch a movie today. But then, the teachers bought some snacks. And dalawa kasi si Harley.
Mommy,
And tsaka yung isang klase niya na gluten and dairy free.
wanna make one box of white chicken?
Yeah. And, yeah, sabi ng teacher sa akin kanina, they found gluten-free, nut-free, dairy-free na Easter eggs today. For today. And some popcorn that are same gluten-free. So sabi ko, sa Big W mo ba yung nabili? Kasi yun nga, doon ako nag-iisip na, doon ako nakahanap ng Easter eggs na for Harley's diet. So doon ko siya bibilhan. Sabi niya, yes. What else do you want on your snack box? Grapes?
Grapes and gummy.
Grapes and gummies. Okay. Grapes and gummies. Ayan, dito tayo sa Good Guys, guys. Tingin tayo ng washing machine. Alright, ka? Yeah, we have to look for a washing machine. Ayan, dito na kami sa Costco pala, guys. Wala namang tingin-tingin lang tayo. Nakabili na kami ng washing. Hindi ko pala napakita. Pero di-deliver naman na yan bukas. So, bukas ipakita ko. Pero meron din pala silang mga dito. Appliance. Daming tao.
Mommy wants some soda.
Okay.
Bang, wow.
Chain bang low yung kanya. Hindi chain hang low.
Bang, bang, wow. In the body, in the farm, in the town, in the mic, in the honey, in the
Para si Joy Joy pala to eh.
bang, bang, wow. In the water, in the
Iba-ibang lyrics.
bang, bang, wow.
Ito na pala ako sa therapy ni ate, guys. It's already 2:42. What?
Good morning, guys.
Good morning, guys.
Good morning, guys.
Wanna make one?
Hi, Leah. Good morning.
Do another one. Guys.
You say hi, guys.
She is so much easier. Like, this is the first time I've been
In the morning.
for a long time because
Yeah.
I've been starting work early.
Yeah.
And Harley is remarkably better. It's
Yeah,
all because of your diet. It's actually working.
Make like this one bar.
Okay, I'll pull out the lunchbox so he can see it.
But you're not got school today, mate. Oh, look, it says Waika. Well done, mate. I'm super proud. There's Chang.
And a gummy.
Look at it.
And a
She's so
gummy.
happy.
Yeah, update pala kung Harley.
Ito.
So amazing. Wait, gusto sumali ni Rai.
That
Oh, here, baby.
Mommy wanted the other plastic gun.
Karen, you don't want it now? So what do you want for your lunchbox?
Gummy.
Hey?
Orange and grapes.
Okay, he wants gummy. Number 1, orange and grapes. What else?
Orange.
Biscuit?
No.
Okay. But where are we going?
Now I want to school.
Yeah, so why do you need lunchbox if you don't have school? Kikigaya lang siya kay ate niya.
Now,
I don't know. I don't know, Daddy. You just saw that because I said, why do you need lunchbox if you don't have school?
What are you looking like that for?
I don't know, he goes. You're funny.
What's this stuff? What's this oil?
Oh yeah, I bought that yesterday at Costco. So this one I bought in Costco because I've heard lots of good things about it. MCT oil. So it energizes the brain.
So is this for me?
You can have it too.
Okay. Thank you.
It's made- So you can mix it with coffee, smoothie, any drink or shake. So 1 to 3 tablespoons, pero obviously kay Harley 1 tablespoon lang ilalagay ko sa drink niya. So it works with your brain, your metabolism. So it's good for people that's on ketogenic, thermogenic, paleo, which is kind of like Harley and vegan. So it's a coconut oil, guys. So it's added to her supplement na. So meron siyang magnesium nga, probiotic, fish oil, and this one.
I got one.
And dahil hindi niya nagustuhan yung magnesium na unang binigay sa kanya ng kanyang naturopath. So ito yung second option. So yan, tablets, chewable. This is what she's taking at the moment from brand Herbs of Gold. So mas marami nga lang additional vitamins yun dun sa magnesium na isang binigay ng naturopath. But hindi niya kasi gusto yung lasa. So, this is what it looks like. Hindi siya gummy, but it's tablet. That's Here you go, Bobby.
Wow! That's the one.
Not allowed with that one yet. Ibabook ko na rin yung naturopath ni Riker para he gets the right supplements there. Kasi ito, hindi siya kumakain gulay.
You wanna make one into gummy?
Ayan. Nandito na sila, Harley. Dito sila sa beach. Just like last year. So, ayan, nandun na sila. Oh, cheers, Raika, to Ai.
Cheers.
Harley, cheers to Raika.
Matusok ka.
Nandito kami sa The Duke of Brunswick restaurant. Ayan, nag-order ako. Nasi goreng, guys. And then, chicken nuggets sa mga bata. Oh, gluten-free. Isang papa. And then, si Ate Pasta. Gluten-free din. Lahat nga. And si Bensnet. So, usual. Ayan, dito na kami sa Rondo Mall, guys. Sino yung si Harley naglalakad habang dala-dala yung kanyang lunchbox.
May kanya-kanya silang snack.
Ay,
Snack
may
time.
isa na din sa prom.
Snack time sila.
Ayan, ang dami nilang pagganap dito sa Gather Round.
Oh.
May pa-face paint siguro sila dito for kids.
Gather round ng tawag.
Sila, gather sila dito sa Adelaide. Ang cute nila. Yung si Harley. Sila ang snacking. Cute din ang outfit ni ate. Pakita mo yung outfit mo, ate. Oh, ang cute. Ayan. Tourist season. Raika! Take a photo! Ayan. Maglakad kami mula Rundle to here sa festival ground. Ang katabi lang ng Sky City Festival Center. So dito meron sila mga food stalls in mga pagganap sa mga bata. So it's Puri season.
Yeah, so she has been going because she's had the injury.
You guys, happy weekend. Happy Saturday.
Mommy, look at the doggy.
Look at the doggy. We are off to the footy game. First footy game ni Riker. And it's not our team kasi it's like the gather round. Ben just got a free ticket from this. Kasi Sombreros is sponsoring Gold Coast, is it?
The Gold Coast Suns.
Yeah.
Very good team this year.
Sa Baro, sa Bali pala yung laro. So, it's a bit of a drive. Kasi, dahil nga sa dami ng team, iba-ibang location dito sa Adelaide yung mga laro. So, when is the Port Adelaide playing?
Tomorrow night.
Oh, tomorrow night. In the Oval. Yeah. Ayan you guys. Ito pala kami magpa-park.
$15 for the park. We've got buses that are running all game long to and from here. They finish at about 6:30 tonight.
So, sasakay kami ng bus. Kami na truck.
Mama!
Oh, yung mga nag-grandma. Yung isa ayaw niya sumakay. Yung isa na anxious na naman siya. Oh, kawawa naman mga ate. We're in the bus. Anxious ang ate. Anxious ang ate kapag naglalagay lang sunscreen. Kala niya pupunta siya sa pool. Where are we, baby?
Going in the football.
Very good. You're going to the your first football game.
Yes, and we're winning.
I know, and you're wearing basketball. Your first football game and you're wearing a basketball top. That's funny. Oh, it looks pretty cool, babe, no? Riker, what do you think? Huh? Huh? What do you think, ate? It's nice? It's hot lang.
Hot long is nice.
Ang Janet lang. Ano, parang yung kahapon lang na pinuntahan natin, no? But this one have an actual game. Okay na si Harley. Hindi na siya anxious. You guys, bahay na pala kami. Nasunog kami doon. Hindi kami nagtagal kasi nga ang daming tao and walang bubong. So, sunog ang mga person. Sobrang init today. 33 kanina. Ewan ko anong temperature na ngayon kasi naka-aircon dito sa bahay. Anyway, magluluto ako ng dinner for the kids. Kasi may date night kami ng ating mister. Nag-book na naman siya ng dinner. Ano kami? Korean tuloy sabihin ko. Ano kami? Indian food. May magandang Indian food sa Rundle Street. So, lutuan ko lang yung Cheetos na dinner bago kami umalis. Ayan na si ate. Nakatingin na siya dito. Aking dalawang dalang ginding. Ang aking dalawang dalaginding. Si Raisa, si Riker nag-request, Mommy, cook rice. Sabi ko nga, talo ka sa dalawa mong ates. Gusto nila sweet potato chips, Riker. Sorry, Riker. So, sweet potato chips na may chicken, honey chicken, tapos veggies. Good morning! Riker. Hindi niya nakita yung camera. Good morning! May pasok yan today. Maaga kami. Because si ate meron din siyang therapy. 7:30 pa lang. 9 o'clock kasi yung therapy ni Harley. Ayun siya. Lamig-lamig kasi. Nakayakap kay ate Zoe. Because it's cold. 9 degrees lang today, this morning. Good job, Riker. Alis na kami ni Riker niya. Maaga ko siya i-drop, guys. Kasi maaga kami alis ni ate. Ang lamig. Tagal-tagal ko hindi nag-vlog. Mga ilang weeks. Ilang weeks ba? Parang last vlog ko nung anniversary pa namin ni Ben. Ano ba? 23, 23.
Mommy.
Oh my God, mag-May na.
Mommy.
I know, all finished. Okay. Let's go, baby. We'll brush your teeth now. I love you. You're so beautiful. You guys, let's go to Ate's play school therapy. So, bago tong ano na to, first initial assessment niya to actually. Nirecommend kasi to ng isang kamami ko dun sa class ni Harley. So dalawang kaklase niya goes to this play school. So, itry natin daw kay Harley. Tagal kong di nakapag-vlog guys. Sorry. Busy lang kasi kahit school holiday, you know. Ayan. Dito na pala kami. Nagpa-nails kami ni ate. Bahay na kami. Ayan, nag-yogurt lang ang ate with berries. And sarap ng ulam namin guys. Paksiw. Tagal kong di nakakain ng paksiw. Yung isda namin is barramundi. Ayan, may talong, may ginger, may sili dyan. Kaya ate magluto. Nakikita na ako ng sweet potato eh. Ang bango ng ating paksiw. Oh my God. Naamoy ko yung bahay namin dati. Kasi favorite yan ng aking parents. Guys. Sasabihin ko pa lang sana sinigang. Paksiw. Kain tayo paksiw.
Barramundi.
Barramundi. Sarap. First time ni Harley mag-try ng paksiw. Ito lang. Sarap.
Sorry, kain na. Sabaw na yan. Sabaw lagi mo.
Lita, try the paksiw, Harlita. You guys, so diba, nakalimutan ko na kayo yung vlog. Ulam pala namin is salmon and gumawa ko ng rice bowl. So, rice and quinoa to with veggies. Ayan yung kids. Yung sa batay na halo ko yung quinoa. Si Harley. Ay, bakit tumalabo to? Morning! Ganda ng flower. Kapit tayo guys. Ay, nalaglag na yung petals. Kapit tayo, it's already 9. 9 na. Si Ben yung magdadala kay Harley sa therapy today. Hindi, may messy play siya today. And after nun, 30 minutes break and then therapy siya.
What time is that?
Huh?
What time is that? It tells you the
Yeah, so... Kasi may lakad ako today. Sunduin ako ni Ella. Meron daw siyang... I don't know kung anong pupuntahan namin. Basta may pre-lunch daw to. May pa-pre-lunch. May pa-pre-lunch ko sa kabupunta hindi naman birthday. Parang cooking show something. Ayan. Ito yung outfit natin for today. Hindi ko alam kung saan kami pupunta ni Madam. Diba? Hindi naman kasi ganong kalamig today. So, ito na lang manipis na blazer. Yeah, na ganito ako kasi may period kasi ako. So, ayoko makita yung ating likuran. But, yeah. Ginanyan ko na lang yung ating hair. So, si Riker magstay with Ate and Zoe. Ate Zoe. And Tita. Si Harley din na lang ni Ben dun sa kanyang play, messy play and therapy. So, sabi ni Madam, 10:30 niya ako susunduin. Late na siya.
So welcome to Salad Master Office, and my name is Norfei. I am the consultant, and then Marianne will be assisting me for.
That will be the oven.
This will be the oven, so we don't have to preheat. It's just cold like this, and then we'll set it up in 230 degrees in 12 minutes, and we'll have our vegetarian pizza ready. And then we'll also make mashed potato,
Onion salad. So what do you call this salad po?
broccoli slaw.
Broccoli.
Salad master is to provide the
Vegetarian pizza.
being able to nourish their lives and have the ability to really enjoy every day.
Taste the difference. The same sausage, the same amount of, like a spray oil, and the taste.
Yeah.
You understand, Riker, don't you? Hey, you understand. You're a clever boy for 3. My gosh, you're so clever. You're a very clever boy. Mm-hmm.
Okay, love you, Daddy.
Love you. I think that helped, didn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll help. I'll just pick her up. Yeah,
Okay.
just before 3.
Yeah.
I'll come and might swap the cars, and then I'll pick her up. I'll take her to Zamburo because I've got to meet the painter there at 3:30,
Okay.
and then we'll go and pick up Riker. I've got to pick her up for her first day of school.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mommy,
Okay. What are you doing again today, love?
Daddy picking up like school.
Oh, Daddy will pick you up too. Okay.
Yeah, of course. I can't wait to pick you both up. I love picking up my kids. The highlight of my bloody day.
Morning, Dad.
Oh, Mommy haven't vlogged in so long. And Ate's happy now. Ate's calm now. She was just crying and saying, her daddy. No. First day of school pala ni Harry today. Hindi siya pumasok kahapon. Supposedly kahapon yun. But, kasi malamig and may swimming sila kapag Tuesday. So, pinaskip ko na lang yung Tuesday. Para happy ang lahat. Yeah. But Riker went to school yesterday, didn't you? So we're back on making lunch boxes.
I want to make one box. I want to make what in one box.
Yeah. Yeah guys, dito pala kami sa city. Kasi bili tayo ng skincare. Tayo sa W Cosmetics, mga Korean and Japanese skincare. Guys, maganda daw yung rice toner nila.
Paano daw yan?
Yung Johnson.
Oh, milk. Yeah.
Yeah, yung milk and rice toner nila. Kailangan ko bumili ng toner guys. So, gusto kong bilhin tong Centella. Yung Madagascar nila na toning toner. Yeah, this one. Ayan. So, yung Innisfree daw na retinol is really nice. It's really good din. Pero meron pa kasi ako CeraVe kasi yung retinol ko. Ayan. Nandito na kami nila ate sa shabu-shabu ba tawag dito? Basta pot. Dragon pot. Kain kami ng stir fry and soup. Noodle soup. Yan. Okay, si Ben naman kasi mag-pick up sa mga kids. So, what time is na ate? Alauna na. Yung aming soup, guys. Dalawang type of noodles yan. Ito. Alright. Can we have both? Where's the bowl? Yan yung stir fry namin guys. So, sarap! Kain tayo! Okay na okay yung mouth niya. Bahay na pala kami kanina pa and may mga deliver ako dito. Habang minamarinate ko, i-haul natin, no? Order ako ng few items for me and the kids. This one is probably my tracksuit pants. Kasi bumili ako sa Harbor Town ng tracksuit pants ko sa Bonds and gusto ko siya. So I ordered a white one kasi wala akong white. So it's this one. And a gray. So that one's a different material. Ito same sa aking black tracksuit. Ay! Ito pala yung Shein ko. Order ko sa Shein ng mga bands ng aking Apple Watch kasi iba na yung kulay. Sa taas yata. Namili ako ng silver. Ayan. Ay. Ayan, silver. Mura lang ng mga to. Sa silver, gold, and yung white. And for some reason, yung original kong band, hindi ko alam kung saan kumilagay. So, ayan, bumili ako niya ng same color. And gold. Yung nasa ano ko kasi ngayon nakakabit sa Apple Watch ko is rose gold. Oh, this one! This is the lunchbox I ordered. Stainless steel lunchboxes for the kids. So, si Harley muna yung gagamit nito and then pag umaalis lang kami, Riker can use this. Kasi hindi pa naman talaga nag-use clothes si Riker. Kasi nire-remove ko na nga yung mga plastic dito sa aking bahay. So, pakonti-konti, nag-order ako ng mga eco-friendly products. So, ito yung kay Riker. Sana kasya sa lunchbox ni Harley. Feeling ko, kasya naman. Look. This one's from the brand Nudie Rudy. Nudie Rudy. Ang cute guys. Meron pa siyang pasta. And pang sauce. Or dip. This is your new lunchbox. Daddy, Harley's new lunchbox. Stainless steel na. Kasi gotta remove all the plastic na that's been a year or ano. So, bento box siya na 5 compartments. So, yan yung kay Riker kasi mint color. Pero pwede pa nga magamit muna ni Harley. Habang hindi pa naman nag-aaral si Riker. And then this one is color pink. Ang ganda niya kasi very sealed talaga siya so hindi siya matatapon. Leak-proof siya. And then pwede mo rin tanggalin tong silicone kung ayaw mo. So, ayan. Kailangan ko lang ng snack box niya. Yung hinahanap ko eh. Kasi ito yung meron siya ngayon. From B-Box. So this one she uses at the moment. It's from B-Box. And yeah, it's plastic. Naghahanap nga ako ng ganong size sana, pero sana makahanap ako. Kasi wala sila dito. Yun, yung mga deliver. And then i-haul ko yung mga pinamili namin kanina kasi I'm gonna change my skincare routine. Kasi meron nga akong mga dark spots na gusto kong, or blemishes na gusto kong maalis. Unti-unti. Anyway, naluto muna ako guys. Yan, i-haul ko sa inyo yung mga pinamili ko. Mag-haul tayo guys. Karen? I want rice na. Timandi. Makautos ka naman. Pati lang naman yung akin dito. So ito nga, bumili ako ng new toner. And toner pads. So this one is from Numbazin. Numbazin number 5. So it targets yung mga blemishes nga. So brightening. Kasi marami tayong dark spots. Same with this one, ganun din yung ano niya. So yun tatargetin natin sa mukha natin. So tingnan natin kung di puminis pa yung mukha natin eh. Tingnan lang natin kung hindi talaga mag-brighten and kuminis yung ating mukha. Yung hindi ko lang nabili is yung ampule, yung brightening ampule. So sa online ko siya bibilin kasi out of stock. Both stores nila sa city. Sa Rondon Mall and dun sa Chinatown. So yun yung tsura niya. So, this one is the Centella Toning Toner. yung Madagascar. What are you guys doing? And then, paubos na kasi yung sulwaso ko na moisturizer. So, I got this one. Again, Target's Dark Spot Care. So, this one's from Vita C. Yeah, green tangerine. So, ang sabi niya dito is helps reduce dark spots and provide moisturized finish. So, this one is both night and day. Night and day moisturizer naman siya. There you go. That's what the packaging looks like. I think yun lang yung video. Ah, no. And then, bumili ako ng CeraVe Vitamin C Serum. Ayan. For my morning. Clinique kasi yung gamit ko and ubos na rin siya. And pala akong retinol. Never ako nag-retinol. Nag-retinol ka ba? Ha? Nag-retinol ka ba? Before? Never ako nag-retinol eh. So, first time ko mag-retinol. So, I got same brand, CeraVe. Yun lang binili ko, no? The rest na sa'yo na to. Yeah. Si ate bumili din siya. So, pareho kami ng toner. So, ayan. Ito lang yung mga pinagbibili ko. You go like this. There you go. Oh.
Kaya nga, and then open eye.
Like it.
Do it again. Do it again. Do it again.
I guess like a...
I watch you as you drive.
Do it again.
Do you know
Yeah, like that.
and I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you?
Oh my God.
I put my feet up and we just sing along, and I can't help but feel it. Just